In this exercise, we'll determine whether the pair of numbers 1.3, 3.4, and the pair of numbers 5.6, 15.2 are proportional. In order for these pairs of numbers to be proportional, the ratio of 1.3 to 3.4 must be the same as the ratio of 5.6 to 15.2. We'll check to see if those ratios are the same by calculating cross products. We will calculate the product 3.4 times 5.6 and the product 1.3 times 15.2. 3.4 times 5.6 equals 19.04 if you perform that multiplication. 1.3 times 15.2 equals 19.76 performing that multiplication. 19.76 is not equal to 19.04. Therefore, these ratios are not the same. Therefore, the pairs of numbers are not proportional. So you could say the numbers are not proportional.